How freaking cool is this?
Always stuck with me. He said, like, I remember it was verbatim, he said, it is an honor to serve the community, and someone's got to do it. And as I see these exhibits here today, I think that's the vein in which we are gathered, right? It is the idea that the stories of these Issei and Nisei generations, they're like ripples in a pond that continue to expand outward even today, touching generation after generation after generation. If you take the time to listen, and if you take the time to absorb the gratitude.
What's on the news today, boys?
I got another spoon.
We're on air, boys! So we're currently going into the exhibit that they just opened up. And we're the first ones to see it, which is not it. It's all in the small details. So we're currently on the second floor, but we were just there. Wait, how does these work? These are earphones? Do I use this one too? For those that cannot see what I'm doing right now. What'd you find? Whoa! You could pretty much almost touch it, except I'm kind of short. The camera doesn't do justice to how big this is. We literally have to speed run this whole museum real quick. What is this? That's actually kind of cool. Wait, that's so crazy. We're like in a whole new world. Wow. Okay, we don't have time to go.